Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So on this channel, I love to share anything beauty and natural related. So today I'm going to be reviewing the multi-purpose skin cream Egyptian Magic, and I'll also be showing you the many ways that you can use it. So this is the Egyptian Magic multi-purpose skin cream, and this is a very popular product that's been around for many years now. The first time I ever heard of this was actually from Bubs Beauty, and this was like 9 years ago, so it's been quite some time. And back then, this wasn't as readily available as it is now, because I remember the very first one I ever ordered, it shipped all the way from Hong Kong, and it took forever for it to get here. And now you can find it pretty much at any store, so that just goes to show how popular this has gotten. So coming straight from the website, this claims to be a healing balm with legendary powers due to its unique mixture of all natural ingredients. And this contains no additives, no preservatives, parabens, or GMO ingredients. And this actually has a total of 6 ingredients. It has olive oil, beeswax, honey, bee pollen, royal jelly, and bee propolis, so they're all natural. And this does have a very faint scent. Now, I wouldn't say that it smells good or bad. To me, it honestly just smells very natural. And this does have a balm-like texture. It's very, very similar to Vaseline. So when you rub it in, it'll quickly turn into an oil, and it's easily absorbed by the skin, so a little bit goes a long way. And as far as I know, this is available in a 4-ounce jar as well as a 2-ounce jar. Now, I personally like to have the 2-ounce one because, like I mentioned already, a little bit goes a long way, so you don't need very much. It lasts a really long time. And I also just think it's the perfect size to just throw in my purse. I love to carry it with me on the go, so to me, this is the perfect size. And the cool thing about this is that you can use it for just about everything. So let's go ahead and jump into some of my favorite ways to use it. I think the most popular use for this is obviously as a moisturizer. Olive oil and honey are both known for their moisturizing properties, and some people complain that it's too oily, but the key here is only using a very, very small amount. So I personally like to use this at night, and so I just gently pat this all over my face, and I wake up to super hydrated and extremely soft skin. And if you're already using this as a face moisturizer, this also makes a really great eye cream. A lot of the ingredients it has have anti-aging properties, so it can help keep the area moisturized and help reduce wrinkles too. So Egyptian Magic isn't just for the skin, you can also use this on your hair. So I like to apply it like I would any hair mask, and it works like a deep conditioner. It's really great for dry or damaged hair, and it also helps to tame frizz. So I just leave it on for 30 minutes or so, and then I wash it out. Or you can also just apply this to the ends of your hair right before you go to bed, and this will help prevent split ends and keep your hair healthy. This also makes the perfect lip balm because it's so moisturizing. I especially love applying this before applying a matte liquid lipstick because it helps prevent any dryness, and the lipstick applies so smoothly afterwards. So if you're struggling with chapped lips, this is a great natural way to keep them moisturized, especially during the winter time. So the very first time I purchased this, I bought it to specifically help me fade the red scarring I had from acne. I would apply this religiously every single night, and I definitely saw an improvement. My scars were much lighter, but of course, it didn't happen overnight. It took some time. So if you're willing to be patient and consistent, I do think it's totally worth giving it a try. Another way I love to use this is for any kind of burn, whether it's from the kitchen or even sunburns. This helps to soothe the burning sensation, and it prevents any scarring from happening. One of the things I struggle with a lot is dry hands, and a lot of the times regular lotion just doesn't cut it for me. So this is something that I can just throw in my purse, and this always does the trick. It does such a good job at locking in the moisture for long periods of time, so I don't have to constantly be reapplying it. And this also makes for a great cuticle cream, so if you're using it as a hand cream, you might as well rub it into your nails as well. If you're looking for a natural makeup remover, this is one of my favorite things to use. It's super gentle. I just massage this into my skin to help break down all the makeup, and then I use a cotton round and wipe everything off. And the best part is, it doesn't leave my skin feeling stripped of its natural oils because it's so moisturizing. So those are just some of my favorite ways to use this cream, but of course you can use this for many more things. You can use it for massages, you can use it for cuts and scrapes, for stretch marks. So the list can just go on and on. And that's why I always like to have one of these around, because it can save you from many things. And I think this is also the perfect product to travel with, because that way you don't have to carry like a different product for every need. So like hand cream, lip balm, makeup remover, this can do all of that. So I'm curious to know if any of you have tried this product before, and if you have, I'd love to hear the many ways that you use it, so share them in the comment section below. And if this product is new to you, if you've never heard of it before, I'd love to hear your thoughts about it, and I'd also love to hear if you'd consider giving it a try, so let me know in the comments. Otherwise, I hope you guys found this video helpful and informative, so thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye!